And I've jacked up 3 of my 4 Mustangs. I'm all the way under here, under someplace solid if I manage it. Hopefully all the safety precautions I've taken so far will keep it from falling on my head. Hopefully. Yeah, we're gonna have to jack the tire. We'll put it right under there and see if that works. No, that's a bad place. Put it right under the steering thing and see if that works. Alright, that'll work. It's right underneath that heavy thing. Now hopefully I won't kick it out. Now to get under here and try to solve my oil drippage. Alright, here's the underside of this car. The most likely place for the oil to be leaking is from this spot right here, which is the oil filter isn't screwed in far enough. There is a drip back there, and I'm not sure if that's fresh or not. I don't know, we'll find out in a minute. The first thing you're going to do is crawl under here and see if the oil filter's on properly. Should be on hand tighter a little bit better. That looks okay. Second of all, there's the front seal, which is right there by the crankshaft. It doesn't look too bad. Thirdly, let's see the spot right here. It looks like the drooling around the oil pan gasket. A lot of these bolts right here, and you could crank them down, but it doesn't look like it's leaking though. It might be seeping a little bit. That's not ridiculous. Try to get farther back and see what's going on back here. Lord, how low can you go? This probably would kill me if I don't have it jacked up properly, by the way. There's a spot right back here. That's the main culprit. Whatever it may be back here. That's right here. This is the rear seal. That's not good. It's hard to get to. It means you have to drop out the transmission. Oops. See it? Means you have to drop out the transmission, replace that seal, and redo it up. But now it's possible that it's someplace else. These old Mustangs, the oil hole is right back here. And you can see it, but I can't. Right here. And that thing's been known to leak. My other 04, that's exactly what happened. Let's see if that thing's dripping. Yeah, not really. seal. Well, now I know it's probably not good, but that's fine. I'm not shocked at that either. I don't know what that oil thing there is. Take a rag and wipe it off in a minute. Alright, so much for that. Now I know where the oil is dripping from.